माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन बुक पेज नंबर 68। आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 6 का वर्क कॉपी में। स्टूडेंट सबसे पहले कॉपी में डे मेंशन करेंगे, डे 96, डेट मेंशन करेंगे, चैप्टर 6 माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल 2016। अब मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन करेंगे इसके। बाय डिफॉल्ट द टेक्स्ट डाटा इज डैश एलिगेंट इन अ सेल, आंसर इज लेफ्ट। सेकेंड, इन अ वर्कशीट देयर आर डैश रोज 10,48,576 पे टिक करेंगे। थर्ड इज वी कैन एंटर डैश टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा इन अ वर्कशीट, आंसर इज 4। सेकेंड, फोर्थ इज टू डिलीट अ सेल क्लिक ऑन द डैश बटन ऑन द सेल्स ग्रुप इन द होम टैब, आंसर इज 4, डिलीट। Our question 5 is which area in an Excel window displays the address of the current cell, answer is name box. Next, fill in the blanks. A cell is a space where a column and a row intersect. Second is formula bar displays the contents of the active cell. Third is we can select an entire row by clicking on the row header. Fourth is making corrections on data is called editing. Fifth is by default a workbook contains 3 worksheets. Write true or false. First is a workbook can contain only 3 worksheets, false. Second is letters A to Z, A to A Z are the row headings, true. Third is data cannot be entered in an active cell, false. Fourth is we can use the copy paste options to move data, false. Fifth is arrow keys allow the user to move around a spreadsheet, false. Fifth is arrow keys allow the user to move around a spreadsheet, false. Write one word for the following. Our question first is it is the arrangement of cells in a horizontal direction, answer is row. Second is formula begins with this sign, answer is equal sign. Our question 3 is this key is used to move the cell pointer to next cell in a row, answer is tab key. Fourth is it refers to duplicating the data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet, answer is copying. Answer the following questions. Our question first is what do you understand by MS Excel? Answer is Microsoft Excel is a work spreadsheet software that is used for storing, organizing and manipulating data in rows and columns. Our question 2 is what is a formula bar? How is it different from the name box? Answer is the formula bar is where data or formulas you enter into a worksheet appear for the active cell. The difference between the formula bar and name box are as follows. Formula bar, it is a bar next to the name box that displays the contents of the current or active cell. Name box, it is used to show the address of the current selection or active cell in a form of column and row headings. Our question 3 is how many types of data can be entered in an Excel sheet, explain each. Answer is there are 4 types of data can be entered in an Excel sheet. First is numbers. Numbers are values that consists of numerals 0 to 9 and characters like plus sign, minus sign, exclamatory sign, @ sign, dollar sign, percentage sign and caret sign and etc. They can be used in calculations. Second is date and time. We can enter date values like 9/24/2018 and time like 11:41:04 am in a cell on a worksheet. Third is text. Text data can contain alphabet, numbers, spaces and special characters. Fourth is formulae. A formula is a mathematical equation involving numbers, values, operators and cells addresses used for performing calculations on a worksheet. Our question 4 is distinguish between moving data and copying data. Answer is the distinguish between moving data and copying data are as follows. Moving data. Moving refers to changing the position of data other in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Copying data. Copying refers to duplicating the data either in the same worksheet or in a different worksheet. Our question 5 is how can you insert a new row in a worksheet? Write the step to do so. Answer is we can insert a new row in a worksheet are as follows. Step 1, select the row above which we want to insert a blank row. Step 2, open the home tab in the cells group, click the insert button, a drop down menu appears. Step 3, select the insert sheet rows option, a blank row will get inserted. स्टूडेंट्स आवर चैप्टर 6 इज़ कम्प्लीटेड। आगे का वर्क मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी। गुड बाय स्टूडेंट्स।